Here are the reasons why you should switch to an online MLM like Sylvia World. First, prospecting. Sa traditional MLM or offline marketing, you build your network through your case system or kakilala system. You need prospects lists. You need to contact your prospects, pwedeng tawagan, text, or chat. Then kailangan mo sila kausapin bago mo malalaman kung interested sila. Resulta, rejection rate is high. Kasi yung prospects list mo, hindi sila filtered or targeted. In Sylvia World, where you can do it 100% online, what you do is attraction and target marketing. Meaning there is a very specific group of people ka lang na ina-attract sa business mo. You are not targeting everyone, which is very expensive if you do that. You generate leads, ibig sabihin sila ang magpapalista sa'yo bilang prospects mo. Sila ang kukontak sa'yo at magtatanong ng how or how to join. This means ang kakausapin mo lang ay mga interested people, so rejection rate here is almost zero. Dahil yung mga prospects list mo dito ay mga qualified leads na, meaning interested na agad sila kasi sila mismo yung nag-sign up. Next, let's talk about marketing and presentation. In traditional MLM, you invite, meet prospects, present the business, or attend a seminar with them. This means your presence is required to do the business. Hindi mo naman pwedeng papuntahin lang sa seminar mga invites mo tapos wala ka. So, traditional MLM requires a lot of your time. Now, in Sylvia World, since you are not inviting, you are only attracting people through your posts or para sa mga advanced sa online marketing through the use of FB ads. No need to meet them. Need mo lang isend ang referral link mo so they can watch the business presentation. This means your presence is not required kahit hindi ka online at busy ka, ang website mo na ang magpe-present at magko-close on your behalf. Next, product ordering. In traditional MLM, you need to go to the office to buy products or membership package. Tapos, ikaw magpapaship dahil walang delivery service ang company mo eh. Kapag gusto mo naman magbenta, kailangan mo mag-stock ng inventories dahil kapag may nag-pay in or bumili, ikaw ang kukuha ng payment nila sa bank or remittance centers. Daming hassle, di ba? In Sylvia World, may online ordering system so you or your downlines can place your orders directly sa website. Then, ang company na ang magpapaship sa mismong bahay mo. Pwede pa ang cash on delivery para sa mga skeptic mong customers. At kahit wala kang stocks, pwede ka magbenta dahil may dropshipping service ang company. Company has online payment system so customer pays directly sa company. Magugulat ka na lang may nagpa-pay in pala sa'yo kahit wala ka. Company na ang bahalang mapaprocess ng orders nila at papasok na lang yung commission sa account mo. Sobrang hassle-free, di ba? When it comes to registration and activation, in traditional MLM, you fill out forms, tapos mag-encode ka pa, plus input ka ng activation code, at syempre di ka pwede mag-activate ng walang placement ID. Standard na yan, di ba? Well, here in Sylvia World, downline mo ang magsasign up online. No need to encode, automatic na yan, papasok na agad sa account mo, tapos nilitaw yung details niya sa loob ng dashboard mo. System ang mag-activate ng account once paid na yan, and the best part of it, no waiting of placement ID. Dahil si sponsor ang gagawa ng placement sa loob mismo ng kanyang account. Next, progression. In traditional MLM, limited prospects ka lang per day. Why? Due to time constraint. Meaning, dapat ma-match mo ang schedule mo at ng prospect mo para mag-meet ang schedule nyo. Place constraint. Mahirap mag-network kapag malayo ang prospect mo. Mahirap din kapag may mga gustong mag-join sa'yo from abroad or malalayong lugar na wala pang center or branch. Money constraint. Kailangan mo ng mobilization funds to meet your prospect like transportation or gas. Minsan, papakainin mo pa ang prospect mo tapos hindi naman mag-join. Kaya, ang bagal ng progress dahil dito. In Sylvia World, unlimited prospects ka per day. Kahit ilan, pwede mong kausapin ng sabay-sabay. No time constraint. Pwede kayong mag-usap ng prospect mo any time of the day. At no need to travel. Pwede ka magpa-join kahit saang sulok ng mundo nandoon ang prospect mo. Dito, di mo na kailangan magpakain ng prospect. You can put your budget instead for Facebook ads where you can get qualified leads sa napakamurang halaga. Yung budget mong pangkain, panggas, pamasahe araw-araw, lagay mo sa FB ads. Naku, siguradong halos araw-araw may nako-close ka dahil ang kausap mo mga qualified leads na lang, mga interested at positive na agad na mga tao. Kaya dito sa Sylvia World, mas mabilis ang progress mo and you can scale this business with the use of technology. Gusto mo bang kumausap ng 50, 100 na tao every day? Paano mo magagawa yon? Yan ang ituturo namin sa iyo sa Salvea World. Next, duplication. In traditional MLM, sales and presentation skills, hindi madaling ma-duplicate yan. It takes a lot of time and practice bago makuha yan, pero only few people ang kayang gawin yan. So majority ng mga downlines, dependent sila sa seminars at mga uplines to close their prospects. Result, duplication is slow. In Salvea World, dahil merong replicated landing, sales pages, and built-in videos, ito na mismo ang magpe-present para sa iyo at sa mga downlines mo. Mabilis ang duplication dahil pwede na mag-start agad-agad kahit newbies pa lang. And lastly, in terms of difficulty, traditional MLM is difficult. Mahirap mag-market, mahirap mag-invite, mahirap mag-close. Kaya, yung iba nang-hype para lang maka-close ng prospect. Yung iba naman, nagsisinungaling na talaga, sasabihin kumikita pero hindi naman, kapit sa patalim, ika nga. Para maging successful ka, ang dami mong dapat gawin. Siyempre, dapat committed at magsasacrifice ka talaga. Kailangan kasi sa traditional MLM, matibay ang dibdib mo sa rejection at disappointments. Dapat makapalang mukha mo. Dapat marami kang time. Dapat marami kang koneksyon. At higit sa lahat, dapat consistent ka na may mobilization funds or panggalaw. Lalo na sa simula habang binibuild mo ang network mo. At sa mga uplines, the more na lumalaki ang grupo mo, lalo din lumalaki ang responsibilities mo. Kaya most top earners are still working very hard kahit they have already attained financial freedom. Natatali sila sa mga downlines nila. While in Salvea World, which you can do at the comfort of your home, it's so easy to do kasi pwede mo ito gawin kahit nasaan ka, kahit gamit mo lang ay mobile. And it's so convenient. Madali ang mag-market dito dahil may mga landing pages, built-in videos, and follow-up systems so even newbies can become very successful. At sa mga uplines, gagaan ang buhay